Picture this. It is a beautiful summer morning. You are wearing what you thought was your lightest, most comfortable outfit, and within an hour, you feel hot, deflated, and like nothing is quite working. Then a woman walks past you, effortlessly cool, polished, and put together without looking like she tried it all. And you think to yourself, what does she know that I don't? She knows what we are talking about today. This is Refined After 60, and today we are breaking down 7 summer styling mistakes that are making you feel hotter, heavier, and less confident than you deserve. And stay all the way to the end, because the bonus mistake I'm saving for last is one of the most common habits I see women over 60 making every single summer, and almost nobody talks about it. Let's get into it. Mistake 1, wearing heat-trapping fabrics. Let's start at the very beginning with the fabric against your skin, because this is where summer dressing either works or completely falls apart. Have you ever put on a top that looked beautiful in the morning mirror, then spent the rest of the day feeling sticky, overheated, and like you cannot wait to get home and change? That feeling is not in your head, and it is not just the weather. It is the fabric. Polyester, acrylic, and most synthetic blends trap heat directly against your body. They do not breathe. They do not release moisture. And if you are already dealing with warm flashes or simply running a little hotter these days, those fabrics turn a warm day into an uncomfortable one fast. The solution is beautifully simple. Reach for natural and semi-natural fabrics. Cotton, linen, viscose, lightweight jersey knits. These fabrics allow air to move against your skin, which is exactly how your body regulates heat. Now, if you have avoided linen because of the wrinkling, I hear you. But here's the answer. A linen blend. The linen keeps you cool, and the blend keeps the wrinkles manageable. It is genuinely one of the most elegant choices a woman over 60 can make in summer because it drapes beautifully, photographs well, and feels like wearing air. Before you reach for anything in your wardrobe this summer, ask yourself one question. Will this still feel comfortable 2 hours from now, outdoors in the heat? That single question will save you from so many uncomfortable days. Mistake 2, hiding under oversized clothing. Let us have an honest conversation about this one because I know exactly why it happens. When it's hot, the idea of anything structured or fitted near your body feels impossible. So we reach for the oversized tunic, the tent dress, the top that is 2 sizes too large because it feels breezy and gives us room to breathe. And I completely understand the instinct. But here's what those oversized pieces are actually doing. They are not just skimming the areas you want softened. They are erasing your shape entirely. Your waist disappears, your proportions disappear, and instead of looking relaxed and easy, the overall look tips into frumpy because there's nothing anchoring the eye, nothing defining the woman inside the fabric. And sis, you are too refined for that. The good news is that you do not need tighter clothes. You need structure with ease. A shirt dress with even a subtle tie at the waist. An A-line silhouette that skims the body without hugging it. A relaxed blouse paired with a slimmer trouser or a straight-leg linen pant. These combinations give your body a shape without restricting your comfort at all. Comfort and elegance are not opposites in summer. They are partners when you know how to dress them together. Mistake 3, dressing only for comfort. This is the most relatable mistake on this list, and I say that with nothing but love. When the temperature climbs, willpower drops. The easiest thing in your wardrobe becomes the most appealing. The old cotton t-shirt, the loose elastic waist pants, the outfit that asks absolutely nothing of you. And on a Saturday morning when you're running errands, I understand completely. But when every single piece in an outfit is chosen purely for ease, the overall look starts to feel unintentional, like you got dressed in the dark and hoped for the best. And women over 60 deserve so much better than that, because we have spent decades earning the right to look exactly as magnificent as we feel. Here is the shift that changes everything. Breathable linen trousers can be just as comfortable as sweatpants. A well-cut cotton shirt can feel just as easy as an old t-shirt. The difference is that those refined pieces still carry shape, intention, and polish. They say something about the woman wearing them. Before you leave the house this summer, ask yourself one honest question. Is this outfit comfortable, or is it comfortable and stylish? Because when you get that balance right, you do not just feel cooler, you feel more confident. And confidence, as we all know, changes everything about how you move through the world. If this is resonating with you, this is exactly the kind of conversation we have every week here at Refined After 60. Tap subscribe so you never miss it. Mistake 4. Wearing the wrong summer shoes. Let us talk about what's happening at the bottom of your outfit, because I promise you, this matters more than most women realize. A beautiful summer look can be completely undermined by the wrong shoe. And I am not asking anyone to suffer for fashion. Comfort is non-negotiable. But there's a wide, beautiful middle ground between an uncomfortable heel and a bulky orthopedic sandal that weighs down the entire outfit. Picture a gorgeous flowy linen dress, elegant proportions, beautiful fabric, and then a heavy, wide utilitarian sandal at the bottom. The whole look shifts. It goes from elevated to heavy in an instant. What you want instead are shoes that feel visually light, sandals with slim straps, elegant leather flats with clean lines, a modern slide in a neutral tone, a sleek low-profile sneaker in white or soft camel that carries the outfit rather than competing with it. These shoes still support your feet, still give you the comfort you need, but they allow the rest of the outfit to breathe and read as intentional. Here's how to think about it. A shoe should finish an outfit, not anchor it to the ground. Mistake 5. Choosing prints that overpower you. Summer prints are one of life's great pleasures. Florals, tropical colors, soft stripes, beautiful patterns. They belong in a warm weather wardrobe. But there is a version of print dressing where the print stops being a compliment to the woman and starts being the entire show. You have seen it, a very large, very busy floral print that walks into a room before the woman wearing it does. Everything is competing for attention, and the woman herself gets lost somewhere inside all that pattern. The rule I always return to is this: a print should add interest. It should not steal the story. For women over 60, the most flattering summer prints tend to be a little more refined. Smaller florals and elegant color palettes, subtle tonal patterns, a soft stripe in 2 colors, a simple geometric print on a light background. These prints give your outfit visual interest without overwhelming your features or your silhouette. Here is the test I want you to try the next time you look in the mirror before leaving the house. Do you see yourself first or the print first? The answer tells you everything. The most elegant women wear the print. The print does not wear them. Mistake 6. Ignoring what is underneath. I know this is not the most glamorous topic, but it might be the single most impactful one on this list, so I want you to really hear this. In summer, fabrics are lighter, silhouettes are more relaxed, the layers we rely on in cooler months are gone, and that means what is underneath your outfit becomes visible in ways it simply is not in winter. Visible bra straps in colors that clash with your top, panty lines showing through a breezy linen skirt, a bra that no longer fits the way it once did, pulling and shifting throughout the day. Shapewear so uncomfortable you are counting down the minutes until you can take it off. We often blame the dress for not looking right, but so often the dress is completely innocent. The real issue is the foundation. A properly fitted bra changes how every single top and dress sits on your body. It lifts, supports, and smooths in a way that no styling trick can replicate. And breathable, seamless underwear under a lightweight summer fabric makes the whole look land the way it was intended to. Think of your foundation as the invisible layer of elegance. Nobody sees it when it is right, but everyone, including you, senses it when something is off. Getting this right is one of the most genuinely transformative things a woman over 60 can do for her summer wardrobe, and it costs almost nothing to fix. Mistake 7. Doing too much with accessories. Here's a mistake that is easy to make because it comes from a place of loving beautiful things. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with loving beautiful things. But summer dressing has a different relationship with accessories than winter dressing does. In cooler months, layered jewelry, statement necklaces, and bold extras complement heavier fabrics and more complex outfits. In summer, the fabrics are light, the silhouettes are clean, and the same volume of accessories that looked rich in January can look crowded in July. A stunning summer dress paired with multiple necklaces, large earrings, stacked bracelets, and a statement bag creates a kind of visual noise where nothing stands out because everything is competing equally. The most refined approach to summer accessories is this: choose one focal point and let everything else support it quietly. A beautiful pair of earrings, one elegant necklace, a gorgeous handbag in a warm neutral. That singular choice creates an intentional look that feels curated rather than collected. Elegance has never required more. It has always required better. And in summer especially, the most sophisticated thing you can do is leave one accessory at home. Bonus mistake. And I say this with full respect for every woman who loves black, because I understand completely. Black is elegant. Black is easy. Black is a language that women over 60 have spoken fluently for decades. But wearing dark colors from head to toe in the middle of summer is working against you in two ways. Visually, an all-dark outfit can read as heavier and more closed off in the bright light of summer. And physically, dark colors absorb heat. You feel it whether you realize it or not. You do not have to abandon your dark pieces. You just have to give them a lighter conversation partner. A white linen shirt paired with your favorite dark trouser. A soft chambray dress. Cream, sage, dusty blue, warm taupe. These lighter tones breathe in summer light in a way that dark colors simply cannot. Mix your darks with your lights and watch how much fresher, cooler, and more alive the whole outfit feels. This is one of those changes that seems so simple you almost cannot believe it makes a difference. And then you try it, and you absolutely can. Here's what I want you to take away from today. Looking effortlessly chic in summer is not about wearing less. It is never about that. It is about choosing the right fabrics, honoring your proportions, building a clean and elegant foundation, and editing your accessories down to what is truly beautiful rather than simply habitual. You have earned every summer you are about to walk into, and you deserve to feel magnificent in every single one of them. Tell me in the comments, which of these 7 mistakes have you been making? I want to know, because that conversation is exactly what this community is built on. And if today gave you something useful, give this video a like and subscribe to Refined After 60, because this is what we do here every single week. Until next time, remember this: refinement is not a destination. It is simply the decision to always bring your most elegant self to the room.